Galaxy Tab S8. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 is a fast, long-lasting Android 12 tablet that is attractive and comfy to carry. Although it cannot contend with the most excellent iPads, it sets a new benchmark for luxury Android tablets. In this video, we bring you a review of the Galaxy Tab S8 in this video. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. The Galaxy Tab S8 is the generation's entrance device, but it doesn't feel like it. With dimensions of 10 by 6.5 by 0.2 inches and a weight of 1.1 pounds, the Tab S8 is easy to carry, even for extended periods of gameplay or studying on the armchair. When connected, the book-covered keyboard slim adds a touch of bulk, but not so much that you'll realize the added weight in a backpack. The back has a tiny bulge that contains the rear camera and a magnetized strip where you can recharge the bundled S Pen. A USB Type-C connector is located along the tablet's bottom edge for charging or attaching peripherals. Along the right edge, you'll see the start button, which also serves as the fingerprint sensor, the volume buttons, as well as the microSD card slot, which is contained in a secure container. If you wish for a headset, you'll have to settle for USB-C or Bluetooth. The Galaxy Tab S8 has an 11-inch WQXGA 2560 by 1600 pixel LED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, just as its forerunner, and a brilliant display with good smooth scrolling made possible by the variable refresh rate, which dynamically adjusts the refresh rate up to its 120 Hz max. The Galaxy Tab S8 may be purchased through Samsung's website for a starting price of $699. You receive a device with 128 GB of storage in your pick of silver, graphite, or pink gold for that price. If you need additional storage capacity, you may pay $779 for a device with 256 GB of storage instead. The Galaxy Tab S8 keyboard cover from Samsung costs $139 and features a small slot in the back where you can wirelessly affix the S Pen. Samsung now sells a variety of attachments, such as the $139 Galaxy Tab S8 book-covered keyboard slim, which turns the tablet into a somewhat good laptop substitute. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 has ample power for most jobs thanks to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 CPU, and the 8 GB of RAM makes running and switching among apps seem speedy and intuitive. You should never experience severe slowing, crashes, or other efficiency concerns when putting the Tab S8 through its paces. The Tab S8 received a score of 3,228 when it ran through Geekbench 5's multi-core assessment. That's excellent for an Android tablet, outperforming the more giant Lenovo Yoga Tab 13, 3,128, with its older Snapdragon 870 CPU. However, the Tab S8 could not beat Apple's tablets in this test, trailing even non-M1 slates such as the 2021 iPad 3387 and the 2020 iPad Air 4 4262. For an Android tablet, the Galaxy Tab S8 features an excellent set of cameras. A 12MP ultra-wide selfie camera is on the front, and a 13MP autofocus lens and a 6MP ultra-wide lens are on the back. All of them can shoot video at up to 4K resolution and 60 frames per second, and the front camera has a new auto-framing system that effectively adjusts the footage to keep you in the frame if you move about. It's a direct reaction to Apple's center stage auto-framing functionality, which debuted with the 2021 iPad Pro, and it works softly and well. The Galaxy Tab S8's battery doesn't drain rapidly. It lasted 12 hours and 52 minutes in a battery test that required the tablet to continuously surf the internet via Wi-Fi with its screen set to 150 nits of intensity. Activating the setting to lock the screen's refresh rate at a reduced extended the device's battery life slightly, 1259, in the same test, but not significantly. It's fantastic that Samsung provides an S Pen with every Tab S8, which has a sturdy and comfortable feel in hand. It seems fluid and accurate to doodle and takes notes on the Tab S8's display, with no discernible lag. That could be due to the display's adjustable refresh rate, up to 120 Hz, as the more frequently the screen refreshes itself, the faster it can react to your touch. The Galaxy Tab S8 runs Android 12 with some added Samsung software on tops, such as a redesigned user interface, increased communication with several other Samsung devices, and unique programs such as Samsung Notes. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Android tablet is fantastic. It's quick, long-lasting, lovely to look at, and easy to grasp. The cameras are decent enough to help make images and video chats with your tablet appear enjoyable, and the built-in S Pen is a welcome addition that works nicely. However, the Galaxy Tab S8 cannot compete with most current iPads in performance or display quality. With Samsung's DeX mode active, the Galaxy Tab S8 is a more viable laptop substitute than almost any iPad, but for $838 with a keyboard, you can obtain a more powerful Windows laptop. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. What do you think about this tab? Would you be getting the Galaxy S8 anytime soon? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.